Hey, cheers.
Cheers.
Hey, Chuck.
What happened?
Win or lose,
Magic,
I'll be fucked up.
I don't believe you got packed up early, Magic.
No, I still
I want to at least see you.
I don't give a fuck.
Yo, you guys ready?
Hold on.
No, he's still backing down and shit.
Give me a second. It's gonna be.
It's a forfeit. It's a forfeit. I win.
Oh,
Nah, bro, it was a good one.
What do you want to do?
But it's best 2 out of 3, right? That we doing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for this one, best 2 out of 3.
Get in.
Alright.
Yo. Hey, on point. My other boy wants to challenge.
Cash is mad now, so.
Wait, what?
Yo.
Magic?
Hey, Cash.
Cash is angry now. He heated up.
My other boy is over here pissed off, and he says, "I want to challenge whoever the fuck wants."
He's been running through people.
Tell him when he crosses the street to look both ways.
First of all, wait, hold on.
No, hold on. Tate knows who they are. Hey, Tate, it's Sal.
Sal?
Sal.
Saba.
You tell him
Holy shit.
How old is Sal?
He's listening.
Sal, how old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, me? I'm 23, about to be 24. Bro.
Oh, okay, yeah, you can get it legally.
Yeah.
Yo, pause on that, son.
Nah, we can run it.
No, I'm gonna fuck you.
Ready?
Nah, I'm installing this
Oh.
bitch. I'm installing it right now.
Yeah.
I'm at
Yo.
6%.
Yeah, Magic, tell him to hold your pocket to practice.
He's right
Oh,
there.
shit.
He's right there.
I know.
Magic,
I know.
Yo.
Magic, listen, just know that if he loses to Cash, then we're gonna ban you for a month.
Yeah.
Fucking
I
Discord.
don't give a fuck.
Oh shit. Oh, fucking hilarious, bro.
Yo.
Yo.
You guys ready?
Not really. But go ahead.
Make me some money, kid. Don't worry about it.
You gotta
Yo.
bet on the underdog and get double.
That's it. Alright.
Alright, yep. Let's do
GG's.
Alright, good luck, guys.
it. GG's.
It's that peanut butter whiskey. Have you tried it? Screwball?
Nah, bro.
That's good.
I like the Jack Daniels though. Honey.
Oh yeah, it's good, but the peanut butter whiskey, you can feel it like at the beginning, but as it goes down, you taste the peanut butter.
Man, what did I have? I had I went to a cocktail bar and they gave me, I want to say it's a whiskey sour. It has egg white on top. That shit was good, bro.
Ooh, you opened the door and caught me off guard.
Bro, I got stuck on the glass.
I told you they changed that shit.
Yo, I was trying to run that.
Oh, nice. Stop fucking sliding around, motherfucker. I see you. I fucking see you sliding around.
Taking the lead.
Ooh, nice.
Like that. Oh, Lord.
Oh. Nice. Ooh, I fucking heard you too.
I think he saw me. Nice. Nice.
Yo, I'm like so fucked up. Like the screen is gray and I can't see shit. Nice. What? Report it. Fuck are you?
I know you in one corner.
Not that one.
That was that one.
I heard you. Oh, I do an aid.
Okay. Okay.
Good game.
GG's, bro.
Very good game.
Mission compromised.
I didn't even know it was 14-15.
Jay, he heard you at the
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But we had a pause. We had a pause because of the nade.
You
That
had
was fun.
Cucky's heart pumping.
Yeah, he slowed down. He slowed down at 11-9. He was like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Good game.
Yeah.
GG's, bro.
Yo, that's some good shit, right?
14-15. Yeah, I'll take that as a good game.
Yeah. Just don't let off on the second game, man. All right.
Oh, that's right. There's a second round. Oh
Yep.
shit.
Yeah.
All right.
You
Focus,
win that, you go to a
man.
game 3,
Game
bro.
starting.
Go smack the
Move,
bull
move
again.
them, move them.
What's your Zelly?
I got you. I'm gonna move y'all right now. You're paying this
As long as I get half, bro. As long as I
That's
get
it,
half.
right.
Cash, I got a hot 20 on you. Let's go.
Hilarious, bro.
It's on the show again.
Yeah. Good times. Good times.
Oh, Magic's on my team. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Okay. Fucking Magic, bro.
Hardcore team deathmatch.
Just TK him.
Eliminate the enemy.
I can't.
Leave none alive.
Let me know.
3, 2, 1, go.
Good, y'all good?
We're good.
Yeah, we're good. We've worked it out. Oh, nice. Ooh, Pronin too? It's like that? Good shit.
Damn, nice, brother.
Oh, it fucking climbed. What the fuck? This game is horrible at that.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, good shit. Good shit. Fucking COD timing. Yo, they literally spawn me right behind you. Oh, bullshit. Wow.
Nice.
Wow. Impressive. If this game was more like Tarkov, where the fucking sound effects are crazy, it'd be very interesting.
The enemy holds the lead. Clock's ticking.
Oh, ran out of ammo! GG's.
Failed. Return to base.
Good fucking game.
Yeah, that was fun, bro. Good job.
Good job. I'm like, no ammo.
The dolphin dive to the side.
Yeah, I had to. I was hoping I was get behind that wall.
They're tight right now. Someone's discussing cash. We're gonna get some money right now. Let's go see.